Hello and welcome students. In this topic, you are going to learn about marking out on MS plate and punching.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the job as per size 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 3 mm thickness. Explain what is marking media, copper sulfate or chalk powder solution. Explain how to put a straight line using steel ruler and scriber. Describe the uses of prick punch and pitch. Tools required for marking out on MS plate and punching. Marking media, steel ruler, scriber, prick punch or dot punch, ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, hacksaw, tri-square, personal protective equipment PPE. Now let us see the preparations for using media marking on MS sheet. Take a 3 mm thick MS sheet for this job work. Clean the sheet with wire wool and remove the dirt and dust on the sheet. Mark the cutting edge of the job as per size 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 3 mm thickness. Use the shearing machine to cut the job piece according to the marked size. Check the edges for smoothness. Make the square edges by filing. Check the squareness using tri-square. Keep the job prepared for punching and marking after testing the squareness. Apply copper sulfate or chalk powder solution and allow it to dry. Now let us see the process of marking on MS sheet using scriber and punching. Keep the sheet in flat position on the workbench or work table. Using steel ruler and scriber point, mark points A, B, C, D, E and F from the 150 mm long edge of the job at 10, 25, 40, 55, 70 and 85 mm distances. Similarly, mark points A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1. The edge of the steel rule may have been damaged. To avoid wrong measurement, coincide or set the first or second cm graduation mark of the steel rule against the 150 mm long edge of the job for taking measurements and marking of points A to F and A1 to F1. Ensure there is no parallax error while using the scale to mark the points A to F and A1 to F1. Using the steel ruler and scriber, draw the lines AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, EE1 and FF1. Draw towards you while tilting the scriber in the direction of the stroke. Punch small holes on each of the 6 lines with the dot punch and hammer. While hammering, hold at the extreme end of the handle. Visually check the marked lines for parallelism and correctness. Pitch is the distance between the 2 consecutive dots.
Let us do a quick recap of what you have learned in this topic. Prepare the job as per size 150 mm length, 100 mm width and 3 mm thickness. Explain what is marking media, copper sulfate or chalk powder solution. Explain how to put straight line using steel rule and scriber. Describe the uses of prick punch and pitch. Thank you students. Let us meet in the next session. Bye.